What's going on, everyone? It's Abel, and let's be honest, nobody wants to be stuck in the rat race. We all want financial freedom, the ability to pursue our passions without constantly worrying about money. But here's the thing, a lot of seemingly harmless everyday habits could be holding you back. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 middle-class habits that might be keeping you trapped, and more importantly, how to break free from them. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's talk about your job. You clock in, you work hard, you clock out, but are you being fairly compensated for your time and skills? Here's the thing, a lot of employers, especially in today's job market, will try to get away with paying you the bare minimum. They know you need the job, and they might take advantage of that. Don't undervalue yourself. Take the time to research industry standards, negotiate your salary, and don't be afraid to explore other opportunities if your current employer isn't meeting your worth. Remember, your time and skills are valuable. Don't sell yourself short. We live in a society that constantly tells us to upgrade, a nicer car, a bigger house, the latest gadgets. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of keeping up with the Joneses, but here's the reality. Living beyond your means is a fast track to debt and financial stress. That brand new car, it loses value the second you drive it off the lot. That huge house, it comes with property taxes, maintenance costs, and a mortgage that could take decades to pay off. Before you upgrade, ask yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it? Could this money be better spent elsewhere, like investing or paying down debt? Don't let your possessions own you. Break free from the upgrade trap and focus on building true wealth. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens, you lose your job, your industry takes a hit, your entire financial foundation could crumble. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. This could mean starting a side hustle, freelancing, investing in real estate, or exploring passive income opportunities. Having multiple streams of income not only cushions the blow if you lose your primary source of income, but also accelerates your path to financial freedom. Remember, the more money you have coming in, the more secure your financial future becomes. Chapter 4. Don't wait to save, the power of compounding. A lot of people think about saving for retirement as something they'll do later in life. But here's the thing, the earlier you start, the better. Compounding is like magic. It's the principle of earning interest on your interest, and it's incredibly powerful over time. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, starting early allows your money to grow exponentially over the long term. Think of it this way, the younger you are, the more time your money has to work for you. Don't delay, start investing in your future today. Chapter 5. Consumption versus production, finding the balance. Our society is obsessed with consumption. We're constantly bombarded with ads and messages telling us to buy, buy, buy. But here's the key. Financial success comes from shifting your mindset from consumption to production. What are you creating? What value are you bringing to the table? This could mean starting a business, investing in assets that generate income, or simply finding ways to add value in your current job. The more you focus on production, the more you'll earn, and the more control you'll have over your financial destiny. Chapter 6. Investing in your financial IQ. You wouldn't try to fix a car without knowing how the engine works, right? So why treat your finances any differently? Financial literacy is crucial, yet so many people neglect it. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. There are endless resources available. Understand how budgeting, investing, debt management, and taxes work. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and build a secure future. Chapter 7. Breaking free from the herd mentality. Just because everyone else is doing something doesn't mean it's right for you. Don't let societal pressures dictate your financial decisions. Maybe your friends are all buying expensive cars, but you'd rather invest that money in real estate. Maybe everyone you know is going into debt to keep up with the latest trends, but you'd rather live below your means and invest for the future. It's okay to be different. In fact, it's often the people who dare to be different who achieve the greatest financial success. Define your own financial goals, create a plan that aligns with your values, and don't be afraid to go against the grain. So there you have it. 7 middle-class habits that could be holding you back from achieving true financial freedom. Remember, breaking free from the rat race starts with awareness and a commitment to change. Start small, implement these changes gradually, and don't be afraid to seek guidance along the way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you may also enjoy another video that I have on habits that made me 6 figures by 24, and I'll link that over here. Hope to see you there.